Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2022 question 10. This is an angle of depression question involving a boat and a vertical tower. The question says a boat is on the same horizontal level as the foot of a vertical tower. The angle of depression of the boat from the top of the tower is 39 degrees. The boat is 30 m away from the foot of the tower. We are asked to illustrate the information in a diagram and find the height of the tower. Then the boat moves further away to a new position, P. The angle of depression decreases by 5 degrees. We must find the distance moved by the boat from its initial position. Angle of depression. So this simplifies to equals angle measured downward from a horizontal line. Angle of depression equals corresponding angle. Of elevation. Tan of theta equals opposite over adjacent. First, draw the horizontal ground line. Let Q be the foot of the tower, and let M be the initial position of the boat. The boat is 30 m away from the foot of the tower, so length of MQ equals 30 m. Now draw the vertical tower from Q to O. Let the height of the tower be H. So the height we want to find is length of OQ equals H. 39 degrees. Angle QMO equals 39 degrees. (39 degrees minus 5 degrees equals 34 degrees. Angle QPO equals 34 degrees. Length of MQ equals 30 m. Length of OQ equals H. Length of PQ equals X. Length of PM equals X minus 30. This diagram contains both the initial boat position, M, and the new boat position, P. To find the height of the tower, we use triangle, MQO. With respect to the 39 degrees angle at M, the opposite side is length of OQ equals H, and the adjacent side is length of MQ equals 30 m. So we use tangent. Using tangent, we write tan of 39 degrees equals H over 30. To solve for H, multiply both sides by 30. This gives H equals 30 tan of 39 degrees, which is 24.2935 m. Tan of 39 degrees equals H over 30. H equals 30 tan of 39 degrees. H equals 24.2935 m. H equals 24.2935 m. 24.2935 goes to 24.3. The question asks for the height correct to three significant figures. The first three significant figures are 2, 4, and 2. The next digit is 9, so 24.2 rounds up to 24.3. Therefore, the height of the tower is 24.3 m, correct to three significant figures. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Initial angle equals 39 degrees. Decrease equals 5 degrees. New angle equals 39 degrees minus 5 degrees. New angle equals 34 degrees. To find a new distance from the tower, we use triangle PQO. With respect to the 34 degrees angle at P, the opposite side is the tower height, length of OQ, and the adjacent side is length of PQ equals X. So we use tangent again. Now substitute the tower height. So the new distance of the boat from the foot of the tower is 36.0165 m. But this is not yet the distance moved by the boat. This is the total new distance from the tower. Tan of 34 degrees equals h over x. Tan of 34 degrees equals 24.2935 over x. X tan of 34 degrees equals 24.2935. X equals 24.2935 over tan of 34 degrees. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Now substitute the tower height. So the new distance of the boat from the foot of the tower is 36.0165 m. But this is not yet the distance moved by the boat. This is the total new distance from the tower. The initial position of the boat was m, which was 30 m from the tower. The new position is p, which is 36.0165 m from the tower. So the distance moved by the boat is the difference between the new distance and the old distance. Therefore, the boat moved 6.0165 m from its initial position. So the distance moved is approximately 6.02 m. Continue the calculation using the same diagram. The next steps are shown on the right. The answers are Part A, the diagram shown, Part B, the height of the tower is 24.3 m, and Part C, the boat moved approximately 6.02 m. This framed result is the final answer for the question. The answers are Part A, the diagram shown, Part B, the height of the tower is 24.3 m, and Part C, the boat moved approximately 6.02 m. To summarize, we first used the initial triangle, MQO, to find the tower height. Then we found a new angle after the boat moved further away. This gave the new distance from the tower as 36.0165 m. Finally, we subtracted the original 30 m to find the actual distance moved by the boat. Exam tip. New distance from tower not equal to distance moved. Distance moved equals new distance old distance. Tan of theta equals opposite over adjacent. Draw the diagram carefully. Convert depression angles to elevation angles. Subtract to find the actual distance moved. Don Prime T, forget to like and subscribe for more.